Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class you got this one, the properties of the tangent of a circle. What was that? Just recalling this one. The tangent at the point of contact to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. And if at the end point, that's first theorem you got, and next you are having the converse of that theorem. With the radius at the end point, if a line is perpendicular, then that is a tangent. And next, the most important properties, but important theorem you had, that is what? The from any external point, two equal tangent can be drawn. From any external point to a circle, two equal tangents can be drawn. And from there we got also two more results. The tangent segment of that tangent will subtend equal angle at the center, and they also will be equally inclined. Means what? The properties what you have, suppose from that, for this circle with center O, from any external point P, the two tangents will be drawn. That's one, suppose PA, and another tangent you have roughly, that is suppose PB. First of all, these two tangents will be equal. The length of the tangent will be equal. That is most important criteria, important properties. And this tangent will subtend equal angle at the center. This point से देखो center को join करो. And here also if we join, these two tangent will subtend equal angle at the center. Means these two angle also equal. If it is theta, this is also theta. And third one, they will be, means these two tangent will be equally inclined with the line joining the point to the center. This line ke sath with the tangent, these two angles also will be equal, but they will be equally inclined. So these 3-4 properties will be followed for various questions, and we will do that one. Today we will apply these properties by application of these properties of the tangents in some questions. So first of all, see one question we are having, that is very important, or you will see that various times it has come also in the exam. That is example number you are having 17. There is a simple question. A circle touching the sides of a triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced an Q and R. So what it wants to say, suppose you are having a circle, and from example 17 it is suppose ABC, this triangle, the BC side is touching the circle at the point P, and AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. You can say they are touching at the point Q and R respectively. So from this figure actually what do you have? You are having, this is also a tangent, AR is also tangent, AQ is also the tangent. So you have to prove you perimeter of the triangle ABC is twice AQ but twice AR, or you have to prove AQ equal to half of the perimeter. We are writing perimeter of the triangle ABC. That to be proved. So first of all, the most important result we got, from any external point, two equal tangents can be drawn. So that's properties to be used. So that's you can write. We know that from any external point, two equal tangents can be drawn. So from the point A, you can get two tangent AR, that is set, and AQ. That means it is also the tangent. Suppose it is touching at this point. So it is from the point A, you will get AQ is equal to AR. Similarly, from the point B, which are the tangent? This one as well as BP. So from the point B, you will get the two tangents, BQ as well as BP. And from the point C, you will get PC or CP is equal to CR. That's the result you have. So now, from this one, after this, from the perimeter of the triangle ABC, we can write AB plus BC plus AC, sum of the three sides. So AB, but BC can be written as BP or PB, anything, plus PC or CP plus AC. And then you can follow that slate. BP equal to, we have what? BQ. So instead of BP, you can write BQ, as well as instead of CP or PC, you can write CR, but or C, anything you can say, plus AC. So check that one. AB plus BQ. What it will be? It will be the AQ plus CR plus AC. What it will be? AR. But we know AQ equal to AR. In the place of AQ you can write AR, or AR place you can write AQ. So AQ plus AQ or 2AQ. What is 2AQ? That is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. So since perimeter of the triangle ABC is equal to 2AQ, or you can say AQ equal to half of the perimeter of triangle ABC. Hence proved. This one also you got, that question has come various times in the board exam also. Repeatedly it has come. Similarly, this type of things, but this type of properties is used. One more question also. For the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. The circle is inside, quadrilateral is outside. That is quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Then to prove that the sum of the opposite sides are equal. Means what we want to say here. Next question, see. This type of properties also will be applied. The question number 26 from the example, we can get that a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Minute. This one is not working. Now, a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. You are having a circle that is covered by a quadrilateral. So that's one you are having. Suppose ABCD is a circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral drawn to a circumscribe a circle. How? Just read. Like this one, suppose you have ABCD is a quadrilateral you have, that is circumscribing the circle with center O at the point, suppose PQRS. That's you are having, that is touching there. Then what to prove? AB plus CD means sum of the opposite sides are equal. That's the quadrilateral ABCD quadrilateral ABCD circumscribed the circle, then circle with center O, that's one. O is not simple clear. Then to prove you the sum of the opposite sides are equal. That means to prove what? AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. So here also same criteria to be followed. If from any external point we can draw two equal tangent. First of all, you will say that's one just like the previous one. We know that from any external point two equal tangent can be drawn. So here like this one you can say from the point A point. So which are the tangents? AP and AS. So you can say AP is equal to AS. Similarly from the point B, check. From B you will get the two equal tangent BP as well as BQ. From the point C you will get two equal tangent CR as well as CQ. And from the point D you will get DR equal to DS. So now you have to prove any two opposite sides you can take. So from there you can get AB plus DC. Just check. AB means what you can write? First break AP plus BP by PB plus CD or DC. That can be written as CR plus DR or D jo bhi likho. That's these two sides. Then from these two sides you have to come to this side. So for the place of AP you can write what? AS. For the side BP you can write BQ. For the side CR you can write CQ. For the side DR you can write DS. From that side to these two sides you have to come. So S together AS plus DS and Q together. So ultimately देखो AS plus DS is coming AD and BQ plus CQ is coming BC. Hence proved. So sum of the opposite sides AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. So for that circle, if you have the tangents, that means you can say you can use that one, sum of the opposite sides are equal. Using these properties, if that quadrilateral is a parallelogram, we can prove that will be a rhombus. Suppose with this one, this same thing, suppose the circumscribing quadrilateral becomes a parallelogram, then we can prove that will be a circle. Suppose if you have a, that will be a rhombus. Suppose you are having AB plus DC equal to AD plus BC, like that process you can prove. But since it is the parallelogram, so what it will be? AB equal to DC and BC is equal to AD. So what it will be? In this case, AB plus DC equal to AD plus BC. So in the place of DC you can write AB, and similarly in the place of AD you can write BC. So ultimately first you will prove AB plus DC is equal to AD plus BC. But since it is a parallelogram, so in the place of DC we can write AB. Next question you will get that one, same process. And in the place of AD, parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So ultimately 2AB equal to 2BC, or 2 cancel, AB equal to BC. So in that parallelogram we can prove that if it is parallelogram, so ultimately it will be adjacent sides are equal. That means it will be a rhombus. So in this way we can prove, we will be able to prove that one. So we can do that one and you will follow that and you will complete the exercise 8A. Okay, so thank you very much.